Welding is entering a new era of intelligent collaboration. CRP robots makes welding safer, more flexible, and easier. CRPRC Collaborative Welding Robot. Ether CAT control delivers millisecond-level response and real-time equipment monitoring. Integrated precision joints make the robot lighter and more flexible. The CRP CX4 controller is equipped with a high-performance control board and multi-layer safety protection, delivering seamless integration as well as stable and dependable operation. 6-axis motion adapts easily to complex welding spaces. Built-on flexible motion control and intelligent design, CRP delivers a complete collaborative welding system. When the robot encounters unexpected contact, it stops immediately to reduce on-site risk. Safe human-robot collaboration is possible without fencing. Built-in collision detection and real-time safety response make collaboration more reliable and efficient. Lightweight design for fast mobility and flexible deployment. With a magnetic base, it supports welding at non-fixed workstations and can be put into production quickly. An original drag teaching device at the robot end makes welding programming simple and intuitive. Drag, record, and complete welding teaching in seconds. Switch freely between drag teaching and teach-dependent programming. Compatible with mainstream welding power sources. Advanced welding algorithms ensure stable and intelligent automated welding. External axis coordination handles complex workpieces with ease. The CRPRC series collaborative welding robots. Built for flexible welding across industries and scenarios. CRP Robot, Chinese robot pioneer.